Now this is a Zorp app's home screen. But once you complete these individual tasks, the tasks get vanished from the home screen. But you still have the way of seeing the history of what you have done in the task history page. So for that, go to the sidebar. There is a link for task history, and here you will be able to see all the tasks that you have actually entered. Now, this history information, including the card or the information that goes inside it, both of these are configurable. So in this video, we will see how to configure the task card and how to configure the task history page. So to do that, go to workflow settings, click on history card settings. History card is very similar to your task card. The same information is actually available. You can choose what to show, how to show, etc. And once you make those changes, hit preview. And in the task history, you'll be able to see these changes getting reflected. Simple. And it'll only reflect for that specific workflow. For example, previously we created 2 invert tasks, and for them, the configuration still remains the same. So at a workflow level, you'll be able to change these configurations. So that is with respect to task history card. How do we configure the task history screen? So task history screen is a single screen. Unlike our workflows or tasks where there are like multiple screens connected with each other, task history screen is a very single screen, and you design it just like any other screen. The only thing is you will not be able to collect information in history. So that is not possible. There is no CTA. The user can simply view it. You still have access to all the data that you have collected during the application, and you'll be able to show that. You can show images, you can show files, you can have scans. You'll still be able to add the scan components, etc. And you can even probably create data fields and do all sorts of things, but there is no option to save. So saving will not work. You'll only be able to view the information, and it works just like any other screen design. So I'll probably call this reason. Add this information. Yeah. So again, once you make the changes, you can hit preview. And in the preview, so we'll also show the task details. Go to history and go to this workflow, and you see that the reason is actually empty. So because this particular task we didn't have any data entered for a reason. But if you have, you'll be able to design the screens accordingly. So that's kind of how task history works in Zorp. Hope this was helpful.